they threw in lots of straw from the neighboring villagers, and then burned it right down. We had gone to a neighboring village because my father thought there was something not right, that they're going to do something. And sure enough, we had gone to this neighboring village, and the innkeeper let us stay overnight. He was a friend of my father's. They also would keep cows for us because he was in the cattle business. So we went there, and very early the next morning, we drove towards our village. He should have. Well, he didn't know. When he saw a big fire coming that we could see from a long distance, and he thought that might be our house. It wasn't, but it was the synagogue.